As World Cup 2018 draws closer and closer, the Maverick resumes our World Cup flashback series this evening, looking at the illustrious World Cup career of one of the most versatile players in the history of World Cup football, Lothar Matthäus, the unmistakable captain and leader of the then West Germany, who were the dominant and marauding team in that 1990 tournament in Italy. It was one of those tournaments where the best team from start to finish won, as Matthäus and his men were un-German-like in ruthless attack and, as usual, efficient in defense. Matthäus actually played in 5 World Cup tournaments from 1982 until 1998. He played in midfield and subsequently in central defense, and was at the peak of his powers in 1990 as the indomitable leader. Matthäus and that West German team were part of the transitional period in German football when the philosophy changed from that mechanical efficiency to the team playing with more freedom and creativity. Matthäus as a player epitomized that change with his disciplined approach combined with his technical qualities and his leadership, which all helped to propel West Germany to World Cup pinnacle in Italia 90, as we hail and salute a true World Cup legend, leader and champion, Lothar Herbert Matthäus, World Cup Guinea Gang.